खासा दर्जाचें गाजर दाखोवन बीजेपीन गोंयकारांक पिशे करचे न्ही. सरकाराक गोंयकारांची अस्मिताय टिकोवपाची आसल्यार पयलीं प्रादेशीक आराखडो लागू करचो. तितलें केल्यार सुद्दां खूब जालें अशें आम आदमी पार्टीचो फुडारी दोतोर ऑस्कर म्हणटा. नरेंद्र मोदीचो आदर्श हिटलर, ताचे प्रमाण मोदीक फटी मारपाची संवय. गुजरातांतलो भ्रश्टाचार लिपोवंक मोदीन 11 वर्सां लोकायुक्त हाडलो ना असो आरोप दिनेश वाघेलान केलो.
पूण आमचो स्टेटस जो आसा पळय तो सारको जमनीच्या पोंदाक पावला. सो ते बदलपाक आमी समजून घेवपा जाय आनी ह्या सरकारा कडेन परत परत आमी विनंती करतात की आमचो प्रादेशीक आराखडो पळय तो आसा पळय तो काडात म्हणून. खंय कितली जमीन इको सेन्सिटीव झोन, खंयची शेतां, खंयची इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज, खंयचे इको टुरिजमाक सांग पुणी लोकांक खंय 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 कितें जावपाचें आसा. अदरवायज इट्स अ डॅम फ्री फॉर ऑल. And anybody with money, and particularly unaccounted money, runs riot in the state of Goa, and I think that is what is the anger. So just do this much and stop giving us these kind of false assurances of special status and such other terms of protecting identity.
हिटलर उनके आदर्श पुरुष है. हिटलर भी बहुत अच्छे वक्ता थे. मोदी जी भी आज अपने इस वक्तृत्व का उपयोग करके बार बार झूठ बोल के 10 साल तक गुजरात में लोकायुक्त की स्थापना उन्होंने नहीं होने दी, क्योंकि यदि लोकायुक्त गुजरात में होता, भले वो कमजोर है, निकम्मा है, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ न कुछ तो चीजें बाहर आती.
मोदीन म्हणले आपणे थंयच्यो तागेल्यो ज्यो सँडस्टोन मायन्स आहात त्यो दिवपा खातीर ऑक्शन करपा खातीर सेंटरा मागिल्ले म्हणून. ते सेंटरान एलाव केलो ना म्हूण ताका. जो कायदो एक्झिस्टींग आसा त्या कायद्याचेरूच state government is empowered to auction it. They don't have to go to the center.
आलेमावाचे फामिलींतले चौगांक तिकेटी दिल्ल्यो काँग्रेसीक म्हारग पडल्यो ही गजाल वालंका आलेमावान पयलेच फावट मान्य केलें. प्रुडंटाच्या हेडॉनात उलयतना वालंकान कितल्योश्योच गजाली मान्य केल्यो, मात आपणे कोणाकूच गाळी मारूना, वेंचणुके वेळार पिकाळ जावन टीव्ही फोडूना आनी भ्रश्टाचारय करूना असो ताचो दावो.
For Alemao's election free did not hamper your prospects?
It did. There are many factors.
You
Please
agree
understand. Some point it did.
Yes.
Because it is a
it sent
40.
The wrong message.
It's a 40-member assembly, and getting 4, it did affect. And I'm going to be what I should say. If I'm in complete denial phase of it, I'll be wrong. So yeah, it did affect. There were many factors.
Valanka Alemao was never a part of any corruption nexus.
I can say it. And I have said it, I think, 2 years
and
back.
Nobody in future, in spite of BJP being in power, will be able to produce any evidence.
Never.
Nobody will have an evidence?
Never. Because if they had evidence till now, it would have been the Quran.
When your father was PWD minister, you were an arrogant girl, trying to bully everybody who used to come across.
Why? I mean, whom have I bullied till date? You get one person in front of me and say Valanka Alemao has bullied, and I would come right here and I would want to be face
Many
to
people
face.
are scared of Chachil Alemao to say that. Come forth and say that.
Please, no, Pramod, it's not a fact. It's high time Congress party becomes aggressive. If you ask me personally, I have taken an initiative being the Youth Congress president. I think likewise, all the senior members and everybody should take. It is very sad that they don't like to see me in power, in a position in power, because the fact is, you are an elected body now. So it is not an organization where you have been recommended by someone, but you have been elected. So whether you like me or you don't like me, you have to live with me.
घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.